Ever dreamt of escaping the 9-to-5 grind? Imagine working from anywhere, laptop in hand, watching your bank account grow. That's the allure of dropshipping. But is it too good to be true? Like any business, dropshipping has its share of myths and realities. We're here to separate fact from fiction, arming you with the knowledge to succeed. Let's be real, dropshipping isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hustle, strategy, and a whole lot of grit. The internet is littered with stories of overnight successes, but they often omit the blood, sweat, and tears behind the scenes. The truth is, success in dropshipping hinges on one crucial factor: finding winning products. Think of it like this: you wouldn't open a restaurant without a killer menu, right? The same principle applies to dropshipping. Your products are your menu, and choosing the right ones can make or break your business. That's where the real magic happens, identifying products with high demand and low competition. Ready to unlock the secrets of product research? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of niche domination, data-driven decision-making, and customer psychology. By the end of this journey, you'll have the tools and knowledge to transform your dropshipping dreams into a thriving reality. Remember fidget spinners? They exploded onto the scene, then gone. Trendy products fade quickly. Chasing fads is a disaster. Think long-term, build a sustainable business. How do you find your niche? Identify a group with unmet needs. Consider their pain points and desires. What solutions are they searching for? Understand the struggle of finding good gear. There's a market for eco-friendly products. Get granular. The more specific your niche, the easier to dominate. Be a big fish in a small pond. In the world of dropshipping, knowledge is power. And what better way to gain an edge than by learning from the best and worst in the business? That's right, we're talking about competitor analysis. Think of it as market research with a touch of espionage. Start by identifying your top competitors. Who's already serving your niche? What products are they selling? What are their strengths and weaknesses? Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, browse their websites, analyze their product descriptions, and dissect their marketing campaigns. Social media is your secret weapon. Check out their Facebook ads, Instagram posts, and customer reviews. What are people saying? What problems are they facing? This is invaluable information that can help you refine your own product selection and marketing strategy. But don't just copy your competitors. Instead, look for opportunities to differentiate yourself. Can you offer a wider selection, faster shipping, better customer service? Remember, imitation may be the sincerest form of flattery, but innovation is the key to long-term success. Data is the lifeblood of any successful dropshipping business. It tells you what's hot, what's not, and where the money is hiding. Think of yourself as a data detective, piecing together clues to uncover hidden gems and predict future trends. Start with the obvious: Google Trends. This free tool lets you see the search volume for any keyword over time. Are people searching for bamboo toothbrushes more than plastic toothbrushes? The data speaks volumes. Next, delve into social media analytics. Facebook Audience Insights, for example, provides a wealth of information about your target audience, their demographics, interests, and online behavior. Use this data to refine your marketing campaigns and target the right people with the right message. Don't underestimate the power of product review analysis. Websites like Amazon and AliExpress are gold mines of customer feedback. Pay attention to what people are saying about your competitors' products. What features do they love? What are they complaining about? This feedback can help you source better products and avoid costly mistakes. Imagine catching a wave just as it's starting to crest. That's the power of identifying and capitalizing on emerging markets. These are niches that are just starting to gain traction, offering huge potential for growth and profitability. But how do you spot these hidden gems? One word: observation. Keep your finger on the pulse of current events, pop culture, and technological advancements. Are there any new products or technologies generating buzz? Are there any social or environmental issues driving demand for specific solutions? For example, the rise of remote work has created a surge in demand for home office equipment and ergonomic furniture. Similarly, the growing awareness of sustainability has fueled the market for eco-friendly and ethically sourced products. Remember, timing is everything. The key is to identify emerging trends early on, before they become saturated. Get in on the ground floor, establish yourself as an early adopter, and ride the wave of growth to success. You've found the perfect product, but how do you convince people to buy it? Enter the fascinating world of consumer psychology. Understanding what makes your target audience tick is crucial for crafting compelling marketing messages that convert. People buy based on emotion, not logic. They want to feel good, solve a problem, or enhance their lives. Your job is to tap into those desires and position your product as the solution. One powerful technique is storytelling. Weave a narrative around your product that resonates with your audience's aspirations, fears, or pain points. For example, instead of simply listing the features of a new yoga mat, tell a story about how it can help someone find inner peace and improve their practice. Another effective strategy is social proof. People are more likely to buy something if they see others raving about it. Leverage testimonials, reviews, and social media engagement to build trust and credibility. Your product page is your digital storefront. It's the first impression you make on potential customers, and it needs to be nothing short of captivating. This is where the art of storytelling meets strategic marketing. Ditch the boring product descriptions. Instead, paint a vivid picture of how your product will improve your customer's life. Use sensory language, evoke emotions, and highlight the benefits, not just the features. Imagine you're selling a high-end coffee maker. Instead of simply listing its technical specifications, describe the aroma of freshly brewed coffee filling the kitchen each morning. Talk about the ritual of grinding the beans, the satisfaction of a perfect crema, the feeling of starting the day with a moment of luxury. High-quality images are crucial. Invest in professional photography that showcases your product in its best light. Use lifestyle images that resonate with your target audience and help them envision themselves using your product. Finally, don't forget the call to action. Make it clear what you want customers to do. Add to cart, buy now, learn more. A strong call to action can be the difference between a window shopper and a paying customer. Congratulations, you've launched your dropshipping business and the orders are rolling in. But the journey doesn't end there. To achieve true financial freedom, you need to think long-term and build a sustainable empire. Scaling your business requires strategic planning and efficient systems. As your order volume increases, you'll need to streamline your fulfillment process, optimize your inventory management, and automate repetitive tasks. Consider outsourcing tasks like customer service, order fulfillment, and social media management. This frees up your time to focus on strategic initiatives like product research, marketing, and business development. Building a strong brand is crucial for long-term success. This means developing a unique brand identity, crafting a compelling brand story, and providing exceptional customer service that keeps people coming back for more. Remember, building a successful business is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused on your goals, adapt to changing market conditions, and never stop learning and growing. The world of e-commerce is constantly evolving, and dropshipping is no exception. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to be adaptable, innovative, and always willing to embrace new trends and technologies. One major trend is the rise of mobile commerce. More and more people are shopping on their smartphones, so it's crucial to have a mobile-friendly website and checkout process. Consider investing in mobile-first marketing strategies, such as social media advertising and influencer marketing. Another important trend is the growing demand for personalization. Customers want tailored experiences that cater to their individual needs and preferences. Leverage data analytics and marketing automation tools to personalize your messaging, product recommendations, and customer service interactions. Finally, stay informed about the latest changes in e-commerce platforms, payment gateways, and shipping regulations. The dropshipping landscape is constantly shifting, and staying ahead of the game requires constant learning and adaptation. We've covered a lot of ground, from niche domination to data-driven decision-making, but knowledge without action is like a car without an engine. It won't get you anywhere. It's time to turn your dropshipping dreams into a thriving reality. Start by identifying your passions and interests. What problems are you uniquely positioned to solve? What products are you excited to share with the world? Remember, enthusiasm is contagious, and your passion will shine through in everything you do. Next, dive into market research. Identify your target audience, analyze your competitors, and uncover hidden product opportunities. Embrace data as your ally, using it to guide your decisions and optimize your strategy. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn from your mistakes. The dropshipping journey is full of twists and turns, but each challenge is an opportunity for growth and innovation. Remember, the only way to fail is to give up. So, what are you waiting for? The world of dropshipping is yours for the taking. Embrace the challenge, unleash your inner entrepreneur, and start building the business of your dreams today.